Every modern vehicle has a fuel injection system in it. The function of a fuel injector is to spray gasoline into the corresponding cylinder of an engine to start the internal combustion process. However, these fuel injectors can get clogged with debris as time goes on. There are many products available to choose the best fuel injector cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. Whether you just bought an older car to fix up in your spare time or want to make your new model sing, Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is a good place to start. This chemical fuel injector cleaning system comes in a set of 6, with each container holding 6 ounces of the formula. Designed to tackle carbon deposits on weathered vehicles, this formula is built to work on engines with more than 75,000 miles on them. Keep in mind that each bottle works for a single treatment. It comes with 6, but they are in clear containers which exposes the contents to light. Store them in a dark place to avoid shortening the shelf life. Number 2. Seafoam SF16 Motor Treatment. Arguably the best fuel injector cleaner out there, Seafoam has a huge following among auto enthusiasts. Not only does it clean injectors, it cleans and lubricates your entire fuel system when added to your fuel tank. It can even be used as a fuel stabilizer or added to crankcase oil to remove deposits and residue for better oil flow. The 16-ounce bottle will treat anywhere from 8 to 16 gallons of fuel. Seafoam works really well but is a bit more expensive compared to Lucas when it comes to regular maintenance. Number 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Since a lot of consumers prefer buying popular options, we will start off our picks with a brand called Chevron. This is a widely renowned brand for motor oil and fuel injector cleaners. This happens to be the most popular option available on our picks of the best fuel injector cleaners. Apart from cleaning, the Chevron Techron System Cleaner also helps to bring lost performance back to your car's engine and improve its overall fuel economy. This solution is also proven to reduce rough idling, engine surge, spark plug problems, and many other internal problems of the engine. Once cleaned with the Chevron Techron System Cleaner, your fuel injectors will be good to go for about a year or so. Number 4. Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Now that you are familiar with the premium options available in the market for fuel injector cleaners, let us talk about what you will get within an affordable range. Apart from just cleaning the injectors, the Seafoam IC5 also lubricates the upper cylinders, further improving their performance. Thus, you will also notice a much better fuel economy once you clean the injectors with the solution. The Seafoam IC5 features a concentrated formula that is suitable for up to 25-gallon fuel tanks, making it a viable option for large vehicles as well as small. And Seafoam is assuring high safety levels for all types of engine, making it a decent choice at this price. Number 5. Redline 60103 Complete SI1 Fuel System Cleaner. Compact fuel injector cleaning bottles are certainly easier to handle and use. Therefore, we are including the following option from Redline next in our list. However, the Redline 60103 SI1 cleaner also happens to be one of the premium choices present on our picks. Since it cleans almost 100% impurities in a single pass, you can imagine the quality and purity of the chemical compounds used in this solution. Redline is also promising nearly 2 points less requirement for octane once you start using the cleaner for your car. For best results, Redline suggests using a whole bottle for the tank. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.